Alright, go up on him.
We know that our customers are driving less, which means fewer accidents.
So State Farm is returning $2 billion to auto policyholders for the period ending May 31st.
See an eagle up here eating some roadkill.
To best serve you, our customers. Because now, more than ever, being a good neighbor
Sneaking
means
on an eagle.
like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Krause Lumber is your hometown heritage hardware and lumber yard with a tradition of customer service and community commitment. Located in the heart of downtown Lima, they offer barn, whole home, and barn dominium, as well as tool and equipment rental for most jobs. Looking to DIY? Check out.
We're extremely close to the eagle. Turkey vulture. That's why he's trying to stay here.
Alright,
We'll leave him alone.
To eat.